We're back to another episode of this chicken sound shaker. Yeah, let's take a bite of this chicken sandwich, you know. Let's eat it. Hold on, one second. It's really good. I like the spicy chicken sandwich. It's so good. These are my fries now. I got Coca-Cola right here. These are good. But first of all, I'm going to eat the fries. It's pretty good. This isn't regular fries. They're not spicy. They're good. Yeah, I'm so sorry that I had to close a little piece of chicken sandwich in the trash because spicy. I'm saying sorry because no one eats that. So that's why I'm moving on to the fries with this video right now. Pretty good. I like the fries. I like the fries. This is so good here in this place. It's pretty good. I like this place and I got my some chicken. It's so good. Excuse me, I burped. I just burped, you know. I like this rice. They're good. These are good. I really like the fries, you know. These are good. Excellent fries ever here. I got my some chicken. Really good. Very good. It's pretty good. I really like the French fries. I got myself chicken. Pretty good. I'm gonna enjoy the fries here. Mentioning someone here, I got myself chicken. I really like it here. Pretty good. I really like the French fries here. I got myself chicken. It's so good. Pretty good. I like those French fries like very crunchy. Crunchy like this. One more fry. These are a lot of fries, so I'm not gonna finish them here, so I'm gonna give them to someone else, you know. Then I'm gonna move on to the dessert, so. They didn't have the dessert than what I wanted, so I got this one from home, you know. Very good chocolate chip. Here, here. Another cookie. It's like a good cookie. Open the soda. Yeah. These are good soda. Good. It's a very good Coca-Cola. Right there, it's Coca-Cola original taste. Coca-Cola.
Thank you so much.
This Coca-Cola is good. Pretty good. I like the Coca-Cola. I got myself chicken. I like it. Pretty good. I really like it. So yeah, I'm just taking a sip of Coca-Cola. Pretty good. I like the Coca-Cola. I got myself chicken. It's so good. Yeah, I like the Coca-Cola. I got myself chicken. It's pretty good. I like this Coca-Cola soda after I got myself chicken. I really like it. In Fullerton, California. It's pretty good. I like this soda, carbonated beverage, you know. It's good once in a while. That's a small can. Nice can. Yeah, let me try and drink it without the straw, you know. Let's try. Yeah, it's better with it without the straw. I really like the Coca-Cola. I got myself chicken. It's pretty good. I like the Coca-Cola. I got myself chicken. Very good. By the way, it's so good. Pretty good. I like the taste of the Coca-Cola. I really like it. Yep, Coca-Cola all gone now, you know. So yeah. So I was gonna say, yeah, you guys, look at this. Bye. So yeah, I hope I like this place here again. So I don't know if you think about this place again. I got my son chicken. I think I do like it. So yeah, I will just come back here soon. You know? This is in Fullerton, California, so I hope I subscribe to my channel with this video in Fullerton, and I'll see you in the next video, you guys. So peace out.